Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have created this beautiful look for Onam. So it's a Malayali festival, mostly the Kerala. It is being celebrated in Kerala, and yeah, I have been in Bangalore for last 16 years, and I have seen all the Malayalis coming together and do the decoration with flowers and some diya and do tug of war, play the game tug of war, dance, lot of festival, lot of things they do. And also they eat sadhya in the lunch. It's a meal basically they eat. So yeah, I have been seeing Onam for last lot of years, and today I have come up with this look, and I have seen how they dress up and how the Malayalis dress up and how they talk and all this. So today's look is more inspired from the Malayalis and the Onam. So this is an Onam inspired look. Mostly they wear white and gold. Sometimes they add other colors also, but white and gold should be there in their clothes. So today I've created Onam inspired look specially for my for the Malayali viewers. So if you want to know how I have created this look, then keep on watching. And also if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. Today I have curled my hair. I have seen most of the Malayalis, they have dark, black and curly hair. So to look more like Malayali, so I have curled my hair. The products are mostly whatever I use generally. I'm not going to talk much about the products. Rather, I'm going to talk about how I do like to create this look and what are my observations for Malayali or during Onam, what all they do. So I'm going to prime my face, and then I'm going to add some blush to add colors to my cheeks, and then I have used concealer. So this look you can wear it at office also. If Onam is celebrated in your office, if you are Malayalam or not, you can wear this look. And I'm wearing concealer. I have used two concealers, one from L'Oreal Infallible Full Layer Concealer and NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. And I'm going to blend it with a brush. So as I was talking, more than the look, it is the culture. I love to see all the girls there dancing, and boys are also wearing white clothes, white shirts. And yeah, it's a good festival, and you see beautiful designs, big designs in the floor using flower petals. They will do this design and decoration from mid of night, very early morning, because so that during the daytime they can turn on the diya and then dance around that and take pictures. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. I've been seeing this in my lot of companies also. I was working, the employees used to come in the middle of the very early morning dressed up, and then they do the decoration. So yeah, so it's a very basic, and I just did my base makeup. I have added some contour and all so yeah. So once I blended everything with the brush, and I'm going to add some highlighted concealer, and then I'm going to set it with some powder. I've used two powders today. One is this K Beauty powder. This is for highlighting, and this Maybelline Fit Me is for giving coverage, because I have not used any foundation. This Maybelline Fit Me powder is going to give me more coverage. So I just did baking of eyes under my eyes. So you can wear this makeup for whole day. It is going to stay. I have made sure everything stays in place for longer time. Now I'm a Bengali, but my features or lots of my features looks like South Indian part of India. My skin tone, my eyes, and a lot of things look like, because some of some of the people will ask me like, are you from Bangalore, or are you from southern part of are you an Amma and all like that. But yeah, I love to celebrate every festival of India. How much I have access, I love to celebrate, and I love to see people enjoying and singing and dressing up, and these all things I love to do. So once I bake my under eyes, put some excess of powder. I have taken this Fit Me powder on all over my neck and my rest of my face. You can see my face looks flawless with that. Then Malayali people mostly have very dark, thick eyebrows, so I try to make it, using this sugar brow definer. As usually, whatever I like to do, I did it, and then to make it more dense, I applied a mascara, a black mascara, and this is going to hold the brows also in place for longer time. And for eyes, I have not used much dramatic, much eyeshadow or highlighter. I have seen they love to wear kajals. They love to express themselves through eyes. So today I have not used much of eyeshadow. I have taken this eyeshadow palette from Lakme, and just I have defined my crease. I just put a color, but generally they don't put any crease color or something like that. They directly put some kajal. I've used this Sugar Cosmetics kajal, and I have drawn a very thick line. It's not an angled way, it's a rounded way. I put this line, and then I'm not going to smudge it, because they love to keep their kajals little bit bold, because all about that, like the kajal through their kajal in their eyes, they like to express that way. I'm going to put the kajal, and then I'm going to take a black shadow. I have this old palette from Huda Beauty, and I have taken this black shadow, and I'm going to set this kajal, because this Sugar Cosmetics kajal is going to smudge. It is going to, if water comes or something, it is going to smudge. So to make it more intense, I have taken this eyeshadow from Huda Beauty and set it with the powder. So like this. So you see my eye makeup is done, and it's looking a bold eye makeup. Then I have taken this blush from Lakme, and I have taken this pinkish color in my cheeks. I did not add any highlighter today, and taking the bronzy shade, I have little bit slightly bronzed my face. Same lighter shade I have used as highlighter. Not too much of glow, because I never saw them wearing some glowy things in their face. I have used this mask lipstick. They don't wear too much of reddish bright lipstick. All they want their eyes to be highlighted rather than lips. So I have used a brown lipstick here from Mars Cosmetics, and yeah, I am done with my look. So I have got this earrings, which is silver and white. I have worn this earrings, and then I remember I did not put mascara, so I have applied a couple of coats of mascara. No lashes. I've never seen them wearing any kind of lashes and all. Kajal is the part which is going to express their eyes more, so I have put lots of mascaras, both for my upper and lower lash line. And after that I have taken a blue liner. This is optional, but I find blue makes the white pop, so I have applied a little bit of blue liner close to my lash line, which is not at all visible, but it will make sure my white part of the eye is a little bit popping. And yeah, this is the finished look. I did a middle partition and wearing, and yeah, this is the finished look, which is inspired by Malayali, like for the Onam festival. So this look they wear, all of them wear. The girls also, generally girls, children or something, they wear skirt and the top which is in white and golden color, and women wear sari. So yeah, if you like this video and this kind of video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.